Hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn Descartes' rule of sign. By this rule, we can decide how many possible positive real zeros or how many possible negative zeros we will get from any polynomial. So what is this rule says? My first step, my given polynomial must be in descending order. Then we can check how many positive real zeros we will get by just check number of sign change of f of x or is less than the number of sign changes by an even integer. Same thing for negative real zeros. Now we will check number of sign change of f of negative x or is less than number of sign change by an even integer. So now let's see by example. Here we have used Descartes' rule of sign to determine the possible number of positive and negative real zeros for this. So first step, we will check how many given function it's in descending order. So it's already in descending order. Then we will check sign change. So see, first term we have is positive, right? First term we have positive, second term positive, third term negative. So now we will check how many times we have sign change. We have see positive to positive, right? So there is no sign change. Then positive to negative, there is one sign change. So we will get possible positive real zeros is just one, is 1. And if you will subtract 2 even number, 1 minus 2, you will get negative 1, and that's not possible. Now we need to find possible, let's see, possible negative real zeros. So how we can find it is just we will evaluate f of negative x. So we'll plug in negative x minus 18. If we have negative base with even power, answer will be positive. Here is also even power, so answer is positive. So now we can check again sign change. See, first term positive, second term positive, third term negative. So we will check we don't have any sign change from first term to second term, but second term to third term we have sign change. It's only by 1. So we can see here again, we will get possible negative zeros, we will get 1. All right, let's see next one. Here we can see we have given function is descending order. Now we will decide possible positive real zeros. Positive real zeros. How we will check the first term positive, 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 negative, negative. So we have to check how many times it's changed. It's changing? No. From second to third change? No. Third to fourth change? No. Fourth to fifth? Yes, that is change. And here, no. So we will get only one possible positive zeros. All right, now we will check negative possible zeros. Negative real zeros. So let's see, we have to find out f of negative x is 2 times negative x to 5th power, 4 to negative x to 4th power, plus 9 to negative x cubed, plus 18 negative x squared, and minus 35 negative x minus 70. So let's see, odd power with negative base, answer will be negative. Even power, answer will be positive. So 4x to fourth power, that will be negative. That will be positive. That will be positive here, and that is negative. So now we can check. First term we have negative, second term we have positive, negative, positive, positive, and negative. So now we can check again how many times sign change. See, from here to here, we will just make this dot and make it easier. So see, from first term to second term, sign change. Here, sign change, sign change. See, positive to positive. So here, no sign change. Positive to negative, that is sign change. So we can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we will get negative real zeros as possible real zeros. We'll get 4. And if you subtract even integer, will be 4 minus 2 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So it's possible negative real zeros is 4, 2, or 0. Let's see next one. Try to pause this video and try to do this problem. And let's see and come back with correct answer. So first thing, it's in descending order. We will check how many positive real zeros. So how we will check? See, first term we have positive, negative, negative, positive, positive, and negative. And then we can see make a dot. It will make it easier to see first term to second term. See, positive to negative. Sign will change. Negative to negative, sign will not change. Negative to positive, it's change. Positive to positive, not a change. Positive to negative, it will change. So how many times sign change? 3 times. So we will get positive real solution. If positive real zeros is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. And 1 minus 2 is negative. So positive real zeros might be 3 or 1. All right, now we can check negative real zeros. So what is our steps? F of negative x, right? Now we knew if I will plug in negative and I will get odd power, so that will change sign. Even power, so that will not change sign here. Next one we have cube, so that will turn in positive. Next one we have x squared, so it will stay same. Next one we have just x, so it will change sign to negative. And 98. Now we can say here, see we have negative, negative, positive, positive, negative, and negative. Then we can make a dot. See, you can see here, it will looks like easy. See, negative to negative, sign will not change, not change. Negative to positive, sign will change. Positive to positive, not a change. Positive to negative, change. Negative to negative, not a change. So how many negative zeros we will get? 1 and 2. So possible is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So 2 or 0. All right, so let's see next one we have. See, we have in descending order. Now we will write positive real zeros. So we will check. We have first term is positive, negative, negative, and positive. So now we will check how many times sign will change, right? Positive to negative, so it is changing. Negative to negative, no change. Negative to positive, change. So we have 2 times sign change. So possible positive real zeros is 2 or 0. All right, now we will check negative real zeros. So f of negative x. So you plug in negative x here and we have even power. So sign will stay same. Next one also will stay same because even power. And next one will be same also. So it will not change anything. So now we can see again exactly same thing, positive, negative, negative, and positive. So we can see here, say positive to negative sign change, that is not change, and here is change. So also we will get negative real zeros, it should be 2 or 0. All right, I hope this will help you, and try to do more practice. Practice will make you perfect, so you will get better understanding as well. Good luck, everyone.